This is a installation video for my CzTV pinball mod. It is a mod that adds an LCD screen to your pinball machine. And when you receive the mod, you're going to find in here the TV wrapped up. And here's the power cable. So just carefully unravel that. And inside here is the TV. Okay, so I've already connected the power connector for you so you can see how it's connected. You can take that out. Just be careful, it is one directional. So when you put it back in, make sure it's snug back in there. There is a plug for a USB drive on the back. On my newest version of the mod, you do not need the USB anymore. It is optional. And over here you can see a 3.5mm standard stereo plug, so you can plug a sound output there. Some versions of the mod do not have the sound output. Okay, so all you have to do to install this, we'll show you in a minute how to plug it into the pinball, but this end here plugs into a Williams pinball machine. So a lot of the WPC 95 and the WPC pinball platforms. Also in the box, you will find a little bag that includes some extra parts. Let me show you what these are for. Okay, be careful, there are some small parts in here. So you're going to get a number of zip ties that are just going to be for cable management. Those are optional. You'll find a screw and a washer, a lock washer, 2 different brackets you can try in your pinball machine, and a extra USB drive that has the backup of your video files. If you ever want to change what video plays, you'll plug this into your computer and just add or remove videos as you wish. The brackets, we look at the pinball mod here. So the brackets connect to a nut inside the TV here. So you'll choose a bracket that you want to use, line it up there. You'll need the washer on the screw. That helps hold it together so it doesn't come out. So putting the screw in there and just screw that in nice and tight. You'll want a screwdriver just to tighten it up a little bit. Don't over tighten it. And then we'll show you how to connect this into your pinball machine in a minute. Okay, some other options you might have when you purchase my mod. If you buy the mod for a Data East machine, I believe this is the one I will be including. This is for Jurassic Park and similar games. And if you buy the mod for a Gottlieb machine, I believe there's a couple others. Gottlieb System 3, this one's for. And it's just a different plug here. So this comes apart here and it will be plugged in already when you receive it. I'm just showing how that works. The other option you can buy, let me clear this out of the way here, is a sound kit. So as you saw, I had a sound plug on the back of the TV. So if you purchase the sound kit, you will also receive a set of speakers. So these I recommend putting inside your back box. You can put it on top or underneath. They're not very loud, but you can hear it clearly when the machine is turned off. So you just plug it into the back of the TV, and I include a extension cable here, so you can route it through the pinball machine. I also include an optional ground filter. This is if your machine power is very dirty and causes the sound to have static in it, but it does lower the volume, so I don't include that by default. It's off to the side. The only other thing with the sound is a standard Stern style power plug, and most of my power taps will include 2, one for the TV and one for the sound. All right, let's next show how to install it into a pinball machine.